what I've written in black is what is given. So each event X asks for $12,000. And event Y asks for $5,000, and event Z asks for $3,000. And the problem says it will get somewhere from half the amount to the full amount. So that means $6,000 to $12,000 for event X, $2,500 to $5,000 for Y, $1,500 to $3,000 for Z. And then it says it gives $10,000 to event X. That means we only have $5,000 to mess with. Okay, so if you look at your choices, they're all thousands. There's no 1,500 or 2,500 or anything. So this could be $4,000. You could choose $4,000 for event Y, but that would leave $1,000 for event Z, and event Z is going to be at least $1,500. So $4,000 won't work. So it's got to be $3,000. It can't be $2,000 because it's going to be at least $2,500. So if this is $3,000, I've got $2,000 left over for event Z, and that's it.